Yeah. Okay. So yeah, what's your project?
So our project is an interactive whiteboard using the Raspberry Pi with Bluetooth and then a remote and an IR pen which we created. So with software that
What do you call it?
modified by us, but it's made mostly in Python. We're able to use the IR pen to control the mouse on the screen. So, and I can draw.
So do you point the marker at the screen?
You point the marker at the Wiimote because it's picking up. It's using the IR camera in the Wiimote.
Oh, okay, so that's the actual sensor.
Right.
Okay.
So we sort of we calibrated it initially, defined the area. So it actually works better the farther back you are.
Okay.
So it actually tends to be a bigger screen farther back. It tends to actually be a little bit more precise.
Okay.
That was not a good one at all. It's going to need to be recalibrated.
Okay, but yeah, it's calibrated like the Wii is.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Good. And so this is just an IR?
It's an
Just an
IR
IR LED?
A switch and
the
then
switch on or off.
battery, and there's a resistor in there too.
Yeah, but the resistor.
Okay.
The resistor can be pulled. Actually, probably should be taken out.
Yeah.
But it's,
Just to make the LED brighter, or?
that was originally its purpose, but after further testing, it hasn't actually really helped a whole heck of a lot.
Okay.
All it's doing is draining the battery a little bit faster for the
Yeah, because
signal.
you have like a loss there.
So, I mean, it'll just function well enough with just the battery switch and LED. So it's a very simple do-it-yourself project you can do.
Okay. Yeah. So you could really, any LED source though could be used with this software.
Oh,
right?
effectively, yeah.
Okay.
The only thing that really is necessary is that it's a constant stream of IR.
So what modifications did you have to make to the Wiimote to connect it to this Raspberry Pi?
We actually didn't touch the Wiimote at all.
Oh.
The Wiimote itself, it transmits data through Bluetooth on its own. It has its own data that it actually sends out depending on the position, what button was pressed, etc. So most of those settings are actually disabled. So the only thing it really picks up is the couple of buttons, the 1 and 2 for the Bluetooth. The A button can be used for canceling something, but that's also disabled. And really, the only thing we're using it for is for the sensor. So we'd actually like to move away from it and have our own sensor.
Okay, because I guess a Wiimote is kind of more expensive than just a IR sensor.
Right, because it would be the IR sensor, probably a little bit of logic on a chip, and then just a Bluetooth adapter.
Okay. So it is kind of nice that this system could be used with anybody who has a Wiimote.
Right, and that's one of the things that's kind of nice. We just tried to take whatever we could that we didn't want to have to recreate the wheel.
Yeah. It's nice.
So it was available. We knew we could use it. There's a lot of different information out there as to how to actually extrapolate the data. And then once you have it, you can use it however you'd like.
Okay, cool. I'm just gonna get it. On this poster.